Welcome to the FastSensor Events Kit Installation Guide. In this video, we'll show you how to connect, test, install, and position your sensors for optimal performance during your event. Your kit includes the sensors, 2 LT antennas per sensor, and 1 power adapter per sensor. Before you begin, make sure all items are present and undamaged. Also ensure you have the sensor placement document for your booth. If you do not have a copy, contact your FastSensor representative. Preparing the sensor. Start by hand tightening the LTE antennas, then flipping them into the upright position. Test the sensors by connecting the AC adapter barrel plug and a nearby power source. Check the LED lights to ensure we see blinking green and yellow lights. Mounting positions. Reference your sensor placement document to see which mounting position FastSensor has determined is best for your event. Follow the guide of the sensor placement, matching the labeled number on the sensor to the labeled number on the document. When mounting face up on a structure, they can be attached with Velcro or screws. For screws, reduce the torque to a low setting on your power drill. The holes in the base plates can fit screws of size 10. Be sure to not use screws with too large a diameter, or you could drill through the base plate. Place the sensor in the desired mounting position and screw the sensor down while avoiding damaging the sensor casing. For Velcro, apply strips to the bottom of the sensor where it will make contact with the structure. Once the sensor is placed, press down gently on the sensor to secure it to the structure. If the antennas have moved from their upright position, adjust them to the 90-degree angle again. When mounting on the lighting truss, the sensors must be face down on the bottom of the truss and can be attached with zip ties. We recommend attaching the zip tie before mounting for easier installation. Flip the sensor so it is face down and slide a zip tie into the holes on each side of the base plate. Check if your convention center requires a metal zip tie along with plastic ones. Now that your sensors are assembled, mounted, and powered, it's time to document it. Record the height of each sensor from the ground floor in its mounted position. For booth installations, take 2 pictures per sensor, 1 close-up showing the label and 1 wide shot showing its positioning. For truss installations, take pictures of each sensor showing the label while at working height. Take pictures of the finished booth. For 20 by 20 to 40 by 40 booth, 5 to 6 wide-angle photos will suffice. For larger booths, take as many as needed to show the entire booth. Email or text the pictures and the height of each sensor to your FastSensor representative. Restrictions. Do not place the sensor on the top, side, or inside the truss. Do not mount sensors directly above a light, move 1 or 2 feet away if necessary. For booth installations, do not mount behind, inside, or on the side of walls unless specifically engineered with your FastSensor representative. If facing up, sensors must be mounted no closer than 3 feet from the ceiling and no less than 9 feet from the floor. Do not place the sensor within 3 feet of a Wi-Fi router. Your installation is complete. Once all your sensors are tested, installed, and documented, your booth is ready to start collecting valuable foot traffic data. For questions or help, contact your FastSensor representative. For more information how to improve customer experience and brand affinity, visit our website, www.fastsensor.com.